So this is a quick heads up on what we expect of you if you've been asked as a subject matter expert to brief the team on a topic. Now, as a reminder, we've set an agenda for the upcoming OKR meeting. And in this agenda, we've identified a number of topics that need to be identified. And for each topic, there's a need for a subject matter expert to brief us all on the issue. And the dilemma is this, that some people understand in great detail what this particular issue is. Others have heard about it. Others have no clue. So we want to get everyone up to the same starting point. And so you've been targeted as a subject matter expert to brief people on this particular topic. And everyone else is still going to be doing their homework and researching and making sure that they can provide a commentary on this, but it's your job to brief the team. We want you to prepare 3 slides. And these are the same what, so what, now what we've talked about before, but in more detail. So the first slide answers the question what? What has occurred that's caused the observed performance? And specifically, there's 2 things we want you to think about. One is, what are the characteristics of the issue? So what's the issue? What evidence do you have that it's going on? What would other departments see? And what's the impact of it in terms of cost, time, and so forth? Secondly, answer the question about what are the possible causes? So what are the likely root causes? And some of these might be outside your control, either upstream or downstream. And who might have the authority or control over these root causes? It'd be also interesting to know what things you've considered as being a possible cause, but excluded. You've proven those aren't causes, and that way people don't need to waste their time bringing them up again. Slide 2 is talking about the implications of this issue. Again, many people know it from the outsider's perspective, but don't really know what the impact of this situation might be. So what we'd like you to do is to answer the question about, what is the size and the type of impact of the issue? So again, things like what's the cost implication, revenue, lost time, that sort of thing. Secondly, is there a specific customer, personnel, process, region, something that's impacted by it? And how long would the impacts be felt of this issue? Then finally, is now what? What are you recommending that the team should consider doing? And what we'd like to do is hear your recommendation, specifically who should do what, by when, and at what cost, and also things that you've already tried that didn't work out. And again, what we want to do is clear the scope so that the team can talk about new opportunities, not things that you've already tried. So those are 3 slides that should take you 5 to 10 minutes to brief the team, whatever time you've been given for it. And then from then, you'll be sitting by as an expert to answer questions as the team tries to consider what the options look like.